someone will win, someone will lose. If you made money today, someone lost money today. I don't like it. I just don't like it. I don't know. Having that emergency fund, and it should cut out first of all your rent 2 years. Let me tell you, I'm a BTech from Thapar Institute. So hello everyone and welcome to this Q&A session. I'm aiming for 100 likes for this video. Below this video you guys can like it. This is my Telegram right here in front of you. You guys can go, link is given in the description below this video. Go follow me right now. Don't waste any time. Like the video. 100 likes ka target hai is video pe. Let's get right into the video. So there is a Q&A session that's taking place. Right. So starting with a very good question. Very good question. I'm pursuing my graduation right here you guys can see the questions. I'm pursuing my graduation second year. I was in the markets for 2 years. My goal is to be a full-time trader in everything. After completing my graduation, please tell me what are the minimum requirements of becoming a full trader and etc. He wants to make arrangements for the next 2 years. Let me tell you, I'm a BTech from Thapar Institute and I've done my 4 years of engineering from there. Then I got into a firm. I got the company from the Thapar itself. I don't want to disclose the name of the company, but I went to the company. It was really great working with them for some months, and then my internship got over and I exited the firm. So what happened exactly was that I was not suitable for the firm. I wanted to go for full-time trading, right? So now the goal is to be a full-time trader. But what are the sacrifices that I did? See, you guys, most of the guys will be seeing that my backgrounds changes, right? Now the background must change because currently I am at my home where my mom, dad lives, okay, where my dog lives, where my sister lives. So this is my home, right? So I visit my home, but I stay in Gurgaon and I operate from there mostly. So I have my own apartment there where I pay the rent, okay, I stay there and everything is there, right? So the most important thing is, guys, you have to feel free, okay? You have to feel that, yeah, you are doing something not in your house, you're doing something outside. Okay, see, this is not a thing that I'm going to tell you that this has to be a major part of a full-time trading. Okay, for certain people, staying at home and doing full-time trading is completely fine. I'm not saying that, right? So what I'm saying is that like my dada used to say that Parivartan, matlab, I'm going to speak in Hindi and English as well a bit. Okay, most of the video will be in English, don't worry. Okay, so location change basically. Okay, so whenever you change your location, okay, things changes, right? Atmosphere change, you get to meet a lot of people, you get to meet, the networking is good, okay, and you stay with your friends also, okay, a lot of things are there that happens. Okay, so most of my friends are in Delhi, Gurgaon only based companies, okay, they are in these big MNCs and everything, so I get to meet them as well. So a lot of things are into factor. Now a lot of months, if you are focusing on full-time trading, a lot of months there will be like no profit, like my December month. Okay, I showed the P&L and everything to you guys, that I was in like minus 30k, around minus 20-30k, I don't remember exactly. So but it was minus. Okay, so then what? Okay, so you have to ask these questions to yourself. If you're not getting the money, you're giving the money, most of it, more like the major part, the most important part is that you're not gaining money there, right? You're giving money to the market in that particular month. So how you will sustain in that month? Do you have some surplus amount? Do you have that emergency fund? So you need to be having that emergency fund, and it should cut out first of all your rent, then it should cut out your basic needs and everything. If you stay at home, that is completely your choice. Then you will save the money of the rent, you will save a lot of more money, but then you will not be able to have a great network. Okay, I must say that. Okay, for networking, for improving yourself as a person, you need to go out, you need to speak out to a lot of people. Okay, maybe you get some big ideas from there. Okay, so a lot of things are happening. Maybe some good idea of your friend might help you to become a entrepreneur or something, right? Big opportunities are there, I don't know. Okay, so keep exploring. Okay, and for that, if you are just giving this much rent and everything, okay, I guess these are all things are worth it. Okay, so you have to, so this is the preparation, this is the arrangement you have to do for yourself, at least minimum, that you have to be living outside. Okay, you have to be living at an area where a lot of people, a lot of your friends are, maybe okay, as a full-time trader, and you have a super surplus amount of cash right in front of you on which you do not trade. Okay, so you are having your investing account, you are having your trading account, and you are having your surplus account, okay, in the bank account majorly. Okay, so you have cash, right, so that you can spend on it. These are the things that you need to focus on so that the arrangements are done. So this was a very good question. Okay, and I guess my answer is to this question is this much. I hope you understand everything now, right? Now let's go to the top and let's answer each and every one of them. So this was a very beautiful question by this person, so I thought of answering it first. So let's take the doubt session fast now. First question is, why trading is all about consistency? It's not all about consistency. First of all, it's about a lot of factors: risk management, setups, what are you trading, which security you are trading. If you're trading some forex security, the mindset is different. If you're trading some different security, the mindset is different. So everything is here, right here. Okay, it's not about consistency, it's about what you are thinking, what you're doing, what's your next step, what's your next plan. Now the next question is from RP, which broker should we choose from long-term investing and service? So I do not recommend any broker or anything like that, but let me tell you that I personally use Zerodha for trading, investing, and the mutual funds and everything through Zerodha coin and everything. Okay, but I do not recommend anything to you. You guys can search on your own. Okay, research always on your own, guys. Okay, these are the things that you should always research on your own, but I've tell you my part. Okay, next question is a pretty big question, although I went through this whole question. So something for job personnel who can only analyze markets after the change. You guys can pause the video, read the question. Okay, I'm just going to answer it. So the first thing that Saurabh sir, you are missing is that this particular percentage, you're always asking about the percentage. Okay, that you need to target this 36%. See, you should have this at the back of the mind, around 30%, but just answer me this one question, that if you achieve this 36% not at the end of the month, this 36%, not at the end of the month, but in the first 4-5 months, then will you not go for 50%? Will you not go for 60%? Right? So we don't know. Keep the mind open. Keep the mind open for all the percentages that you can get. Okay, focus on what you have and work on that. Focus on what you have, right? You have a setup, you have trading right now, so trade, right? Don't think about that this much percentage I should get, etc, I should quit my job, this or that. No, you don't have to quit your job, you don't have to do this or that, you don't have to change yourself in order to trade, right? And most of it, you were saying that it's like how you can trade after when the markets are closing, you don't get the time and everything. So see, I am a swing trader and most of my trades are done in the time span of 3 to 3:30. I've taken almost all the trades after like June, July last year, after 3:30. Okay, so this is my time span. Okay, so make your own setups, right? Think about them, make your own setup, how you can do it. So that is my answer to your question. So next question, how does too much information kill your trading? Well, a lot of information. See, we are in an era where we have information overload. If you don't know about what is information overload, just Google it. Okay, Google what is information overload. You will get to know that we are in an era where we have information overload and it's pretty bad. It's getting worse, right? So focus on some setups that are giving you profits, that are maximizing your profits. Focus on the things, means if fundamentals are not working, go to price action. Price action is not working, go to something else. Okay, do something that is working, but do not overburden yourself like this is the news, this is the option, budget day is also coming, and then we have to trade equity, then we have to trade forex, etc, then we have to see all these things, etc. Don't overburden yourself. Focus on some things. If you ask me as a trader, I only go to the swing trading. I open my stocks, I go through the setups. If I find my setup, I trade it, I enter at the end of the day, and I exit when the target is done. I exit when the stop loss is hit. Between my stop loss and target, if the trade is going sideways, I just sit in the trade. Apart from this, if you ask me, I do not do anything. So I'm not overburdened by all this information or anything. But yeah, it does kill your trading, because sometimes you trade indicators, sometimes you trade this, it decreases the accuracy superbly. If on a big red day like today, a stock's close was almost 60% reached your SL. Okay, do you lose hope and exit, or you still wait for the next day to reverse or hit your full SL? See, first thing, hope. The moment you see lose hope, okay, that means you're not a trader. Okay, the moment you see hope written in your word, remove the hope, remove emotions. If you have, see, in most of the trades, if you were earning like 5,000, 6,000, today you made 20, 30,000 rupees. It's a good day, but let's move on. If most of the days you were earning bad money, you were having like 10,000 loss, that was your maximum loss, and today you had 30,000 loss, 40,000 loss all of a sudden, then it's just a bad day. Okay, be emotionless. Close your eyes, be emotionless. Be emotionless. Believe me, it will help you. Don't make any hope, don't lose any hope. There is no need of any hope in this market. Hope word should be removed if you are a trader, first of all. Okay, and then if my SL is hit, it's hit, I exit my trade. That's it. जिस पॉइंट पर मैं एंट्री करता हूँ, ये आई हैव रेड दिस क्वेश्चन, सो द आंसर, मैं इसका आंसर भी हिंदी में करता हूँ. सो आंसर इज कि आप अपना स्ट्रैटेजी चेंज करो. You should change your strategy, you should change your thinking, the way you thinking. Okay, the way मतलब आपका जो सेटअप है, आई गेस सेटअप में कुछ दिक्कत है. ओके, तो आप ये टेस्ट करो कि ये सेम सेटअप अगर मैं 10 जगह लगाऊं, बैक टेस्ट करो तो उसके रिजल्ट्स क्या आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, एंड 10 नहीं तो और अगर मेहनत कर सकते हो तो 20, 30, 40, जितनी मेहनत कर सकते हो उतनी मेहनत करो. जितना ज़्यादा बैक टेस्टेड डेटा होगा, एक्सेल फाइल बनाओ, बैक टेस्ट डेटा उसमें निकालो, देखो कि क्या रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं. कि अगर मैं यहाँ इस तरीके से सेटअप पे इस टाइम पे एंट्री करता हूँ तो ये होता है, बट अगर इस टाइम पे एंट्री करता हूँ तो बेटर रिजल्ट है. अगर मैं ये सेटअप यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ, कोई और सेटअप यूज़ करता हूँ, तो और ज़्यादा अच्छे रिजल्ट आ रहे हैं. तो फोकस होना चाहिए कि आपकी एक्यूरेसी किस में ज़्यादा आ रही है, फिर वो चीज़ अप्लाई करनी चाहिए, ना कि पहले अप्लाई करते चले गए, पैसे खोते चले गए. ठीक है, और इतने खो दिए कि फिर बचे ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि पहले आप देखो कि वो वर्क कर भी रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है. मुझे लगता नहीं कि वर्क कर रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आप जो बता रहे हो एंटर करते हैं फिर नीचे जाता है, फिर अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जाता है, एंड मे बी आप स्टॉप लॉस सही नहीं सेट कर रहे हो, मे बी आप टारगेट सही नहीं सेट कर रहे हो. राइट, वाई इज इन ट्रेडिंग अ परफेक्ट गेम? Well, trading cannot be a perfect game at all, because there are a lot of things, uncertainties. अभी कोई वॉर हो जाए, ठीक है, कोई ऐसी वॉर जो कि हम लोगों ने एंटिसिपेट नहीं करी, अभी कोई एलियन अटैक हो जाए, ठीक है, आई डोंट नो, ठीक है, क्या पता एलियन अटैक कुछ हो जाए, ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से, या फिर कोई वायरस फिर से फैल जाए, ठीक है, तो ये अनसर्टेनिटीज़ जो है ना, ये इस गेम को इम्परफेक्ट बनाती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल जिनको कोविड के टाइम पे भी क्या पता, दे माइट नो, राइट, दे माइट नो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल आउटकम्स ऑफ कोविड, सो they made their position according to that. Okay, some people knew that the Adani news was going to come, so some people were hit, some people were not. Someone will win, someone will lose. If you made money today, someone lost money today, right? Always remember this. If you made money today, someone in the world lost it. That's why you have made it. So it's going to be an imperfect game, always an imperfect game. नाउ मैक्सिमम स्टॉक्स में एंट्री मिस हो जाती है, मूवमेंट फोमो होता है. फोमो इज़ नॉट अ बिग डील. If you ask me, for this month, I've made almost 1 lakh profit. If you ask me, okay, and I'm making a video on it, around 1 lakh, a bit lower side on the 1 lakh profit, and the most of my profit came from one stock. I missed a lot of stocks, or a lot of rallies. I will not say a lot of stocks, because missing a lot of stocks means missing a lot of setups, which I didn't. Most of the stocks were not giving me my setup, so I did not enter, but a lot of stock rallied. If you guys see railway stock, all of them are moving. Ask me, am I in any of them? No. But am I profitable this month? Yes. Answer to your question, right? Understood? Now, why are perfect entries and exits a myth in trading? Why squatting your trade isn't going to help? Perfect entries, exits, completely a myth. I will definitely agree with this. Reason being that you don't know what's the bottom, you don't know what's the top, right? So you made a setup. For example, if you ask me, I made a setup. This is my entry. Whenever a stock comes to this position of a particular stock on a daily, weekly time frame, I enter and I exit at the top of it, or I exit at the channel stop. Okay, something like that. If that is my own thinking, then for me it's not a myth, for me it's a setup. Yeah, but for a broader picture, if you just having a debate or something like that, then perfect entries are not there, perfect exits are not there, because when you're going to exit, maybe the stock moved like 1% every 10 day, for the next 10 day, and it reached your 10% target, and the moment it reached your target you exited it, and the next day it goes like to the top again 10%. So 20% done in 11 days and 10% done in 10 days. Okay, so who knows, the stock is going to move like anything after you exit it, or the stock is going to crash down after you take it, right? Who knows? But we have to go with our setup. So setup is everything. It's the priority. When market is positive, amateurs make money, but only expert knows when to exit. I'm still a fearful investor. What can be the best strategy to exit? Make your setup. Make a setup. And if you are asking for a SL video, I will definitely post. I will share a SL video. My team will share a SL video. I've made like over 1 hour, 2 hour video on YouTube. You can watch that. It's pretty good. Tell about your family. Well, my family, my mom is a full-time trader, and she is basically more on an entrepreneur side. She's doing a lot of things. She got her own YouTube. She is also focusing on some business that she's going to be running now, and sideways she's also trading. Okay, I've done a whole podcast with my mom. You guys can watch that on YouTube as well. Okay, and that was a really good podcast. And if you ask my dad is in my dad is also a trader. Okay, sideways, but he's like a government officer, and sideways he's also trading. If you ask about my sister, she's doing MBBS, and me right here in front of you, I'm trading right in front of you guys along with you all. Okay, and I also have a dog. His name is Finn. So next question will be, will you be pursuing any job in engineering, or you have decided to be a full-time trader? What are the plans educational wise if you're planning full-time trading? Okay, so that was I've answered half of this question in the first question only, but yeah, the first part is pretty nice, that will you be pursuing any job? No, I won't be pursuing any job now. Okay, I will only be doing full-time trading, because this is something that I've taken risk on. Okay, this is something that that will make me different from what most of the people do, right? And I want to be someone that has done something in life that is different. Okay, I want to be included in those people. Okay, doing a job is also not easy, guys, but doing trading, believe me, it's going to be the biggest roller coaster thing of my life, and I just love it. Okay, so Rohit sir is asking, sir, my question is swing trading related hai. How to put in entry intraday, small SL and risk reward increased? Well, I'm not able to understand this question, but see, I don't do intraday, so I'm not going to give you any gyan on intraday. Okay, I'm very simple person. If I do swing trading, gyan on swing trading. To all my beloved family right here in front of you, all of you guys. If I don't do option trading, nothing on option trading. If I don't do Nifty, Bank Nifty, nothing on Nifty, Bank Nifty. Are small cap stocks safe for swing trading? See, I don't know safe or anything, but yeah, you can backtest your data, and if you find it that yeah, these stocks, this should be the minimum volume, etc, all these things are matched, then you can go for it for sure. Completely your choice. If setup is there, go for it. Which is the best indice in swing trading? Mid cap, Nifty, Bank Nifty, etc. If you ask me, more volume based are in Nifty, and Bank Nifty are more volume based, right? So they are good for traders who know how to trade indices. It's not about how good they are, it's always about how good you trade them, right? So it's always about that. Select stocks, which indices should I analyze? Do I need to look Nifty 200, 500? Well, you ask me, sir, I go through Nifty 2200, 2200 stocks that are all listed on NSE. I go through all of them. Okay, most of them are not very liquid, most of them are penning stocks, so I just space bar them, means I just go down slowly and steadily and search where my setup is. Okay, I set alerts, that's it. Okay, now this question is completely based on people who have taken my course, so yeah, I'm going to skip the whole question. Okay, I will answer you this personally. Okay, now how to trade, particularly when the market is bearish mood? Do I need to sit tight until the market indicates bullish signal? Well, answer me this. When the market signals bullish, when is the time that the market tells you? Will the market come to your doorstep and knock? I am bullish now, take me, I am bullish? No, It's not going to happen. See, you have to be specific. You have to be very specific. Means if Nifty is falling, let's think about a bearish setup. If Nifty is moving up, let's think about a bullish setup on indices, right? But if Nifty is falling down, Bank Nifty is falling down, and we have a long setup that has proven to be good in the past, then I will jump onto it. Okay, who knows? See, if the market is taking your stop loss, your stock's stop loss, then you have to write it in your backtesting journal, that you have to write it somewhere in your Excel sheet, that because of the market, my stop loss got hit. Open your journal. I have journals this much big, guys. Okay, this much big journals. Okay, of like more than 5-6 registers I have of my own, where I've written. Okay, and I read them, go through them, read them again and again. This will always help you. This is a good indication that you are going on a right path. So if you just sit in front of the screen and you saw, or you are just in your office and you are hearing that the markets are now bullish, and all of a sudden your interests are coming that, yeah, let's get into the market, but now the markets are coming down, so let's get out of the market. This is not a healthy trader. This is not a trader at all. First of all, you have to be very focused if you want to be particular about the markets, right? And if you want to be particular about your setups, your trading, your position sizing, everything, a lot of things matter, sir. Okay, not only one thing. That if the market's mood is market's bearish mood has nothing to do with my setup. I just need 1 hour to get that 10%. 1 hour to get that 10%. If I get that 10%, I'm done with the whole month sometimes. So yeah, coming to the next question. If you have invested for the long term in a stock, do you still watch it and use swing highs and lows to adjust your cost, or just forget it and stay put? Once you sell, you tend to get attracted to a new stock and the momentum goes. So yeah, if see, this completely depends on that if you are a long-term investor, okay, and you are a swing trader, or you are both. Okay, maybe you can enter in both. For example, you got a stock, you think that it's a long-term also and it's a swing trade also. I will exit at a swing trade, I will keep it on the long-term account, something like that. Okay, I'm not recommending anything, but yeah, you can make your own methods. Okay, a lot of, not only trading. Yeah, that's the answer to someone's questions. How do you get interested in trading? What made you choose to it as a profession? Well, that is a very there is a very big story behind this particular question. So let's make it small. So I went to a trip, and then I was not having a lot of money in that trip. Well, I have spent like over 50k in that trip. Okay, and this is like true. Okay, I went to a trip and spent over 50k in that trip. Now I had no money, then I had to ask someone to give me, right? So I asked my dad to give me more money, and then I thought that, yeah, I'm not a good child, maybe. Okay, that I keep on asking my dad about money, give me money. I'm going to a trip, this or that. Then suddenly one day, like, me and my mom were having this discussion that let's just that you have to focus on your goals and everything. And like, everything was hitting me straight into my mind that yeah, there should be a day when I should be giving my dad the money and telling him that, yeah, go enjoy, dad, now. Okay, not the other way around, because now it's my job, now it's my part. Okay, so that was the time when I got to know about trading, and then I started investing. Okay, and I invested for 3-4 years, over 3-4 years. And then covid and everything came, I cashed out. Okay, and then again our trading journey started. Okay, and during the trading, okay, I was having a lot of time, because from the college also I got like the time to actually read about trading a lot. And that was it, that's it. So yeah, it was kind of a personal journey and really good question as well. आप पहले ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग करते थे? अगर हाँ, तो उसमें लॉस कितना हुआ? Yeah, I did traded options, and if you ask me overall, then yeah, I've made my profits, I've made my losses in option trading. But yeah, इतना कुछ बड़ा लॉस नहीं हुआ कभी कि पूरा ट्रेडिंग की मैं कभी की बंद ही कर दूं एकदम ऑप्शंस. बट या, आई डोंट लाइक इट. आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक इट, आई डोंट नो. एवरी ट्रेडर, हर ट्रेडर की एक अपनी सिग्नेचर होती है. ओके, एंड मेरा सिग्नेचर इज स्विंग ट्रेडिंग. माई सिग्नेचर इज माई ओन ट्रेडिंग, राइट. सो हुआ क्या था 2021 में, आई मेड द बिगेस्ट ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट ऑफ माई लाइफ, विच वॉज अराउंड 1 लाख ऑन द बजट डे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट आई वेंट इन टू ट्रेडिंग एंड पूरे साल मैंने सिर्फ लॉस करे हैं, ठीक है. बट इतने भी नहीं कि मैं वो पूरा का पूरा लॉस, पूरा ऐसा नहीं था कि पूरा ख़त्म हो जाए. अराउंड 40-50 हज़ार, 40-50,000 रुपीज़ ऑफ लॉस आई मेड ड्यूरिंग दिस ऑप्शन ट्रेडिंग. देन इफ़ यू आस्क मी after that what happened after that, so 2022 ka budget, I guess it was a really bad budget, and really bad in terms of for traders. For option sellers it was good. I still remember, for option seller it was good, but for me, I was option buyer, so it was not good for me. So I lost like almost 40-50,000. I made a video of that day as well. You can check it on the YouTube. That 40,000 loss I had, and it was a really bad day for me. So yeah, on YouTube it is still there, my 40,000 loss video of 2022. Before that I was barely making videos on YouTube, so no videos before that. So yeah, overall if you see me, I've never done a very big profit in option trading, never done a very big loss, but yeah, okay type profit, okay type loss. And then I was not overall a profitable trader. I was like, because of the fees and everything, I went into negative in options. So I thought, yeah, I'm wasting my time in options. So I just moved to swing trading, because that is I made my own edge, in swing trading, which I do not think I have in options currently. But see, when you have money, when you grow money, then you can always develop more methods, right? Or you can develop more methods to grow more money, vice versa, right? So let's see where the journey takes me. Again, if I enter options, again, if I enter anything, these things, then I will definitely be updating you guys, right? Want to learn price action? Just started. Will you help me? Definitely, sir. I will help you. Keep watching my videos. Okay, so I've answered this. How much on percentage average a swing trader should be making monthly? There is no percentage that a swing trader should be making. And please do not keep these percentages in your mind, because this will empty your bank account. This will empty your demat account. Why? Because if that number is not achieved, you will go mad to achieve that number, and that is not it. See, the focus here is trading, not to achieve something that is not the end goal, basically, right? That number is not the end goal. The end goal is that if you have found something profitable, a setup, maybe different setups, apply it, keep on applying it, and then learn more about mindset, learn more about psychology, learn more about how you can sit idle, make money, learn more about these things, rather than focusing on 10%. Mil gaya, ho gaya kaam. 10% done, let's not trade anymore. 10% done, this or that. Okay, I just have to take 10% from the market, etc, done for the day. Don't do that. I would like to ask you, if you could give a golden advice for lifetime for all the traders, what will that be? Okay, so that's a nice question. And my advice, see, of course not advice, but yeah, as a trader to trader, so that will be, always exit at the stop loss. If you have planned a stop loss, exit at the stop loss. Always have some extra cash in your demat, in your bank account, because if you are a full-time trader, then you have to be having surplus amount in your bank account, because that is your life you're living. And always have that extra cash in your demat, so that you can take some more trades if something is not working for you. Okay, so this is like the top 3. And then apart from trading, always think apart from trading. Make yourself a better person. You have time, you have a lot of time, right? Read good books, food here, good food on your mouth, good food for your brains. Okay, a healthy lifestyle is very important, because if you are a trader, your work is to sit idle, but you cannot sit idle. Work out, do meditation, do yoga, walk in the parks, okay, and have a healthy friend circle. Okay, have people around you who are having big dreams. Stay in that group. That's my golden advice for you guys as a trader. Okay, you can apply it anywhere, but as a trader also, this is what I am focused on currently. Why don't you trade in options? Because I don't feel like trading in options anymore. I used to trade in options, but I don't feel like, because there are a lot of things, guys. There are a lot of restrictions. Then I don't like leveraging. Okay, my whole mindset tells me that do not go into leveraging, do not go into all these stuff. Okay, focus more on how you can make the money of the amount you have and multiply it. Peace. I just wanted to know really advanced price action and depth basics बहुत हो गया, so that what I can learn from here. Okay, so don't worry sir, keep watching my YouTube videos, keep watching the TradingView videos, and you will get to learn a lot of things. If you want to learn in depth, from the basic till the top and everything, my team will message you, don't worry. Okay guys, so let's just end this session right now, and I hope you enjoyed, everyone enjoyed the video, and there were a lot of questions that were asked here. Okay, and you guys can join my Telegram. You guys can also ask the questions. I hope all my answers were valid enough. All my answers were okay to the level you wanted them to be, right? And mark those points that I have given pressure on. Okay, like focus on your mindset, focus on your own health, eat good, give good food here. Okay, be in a positive atmosphere, because trading takes a lot of energy from here, and it will give you if you're sitting, if you're doing nothing about yourself. Okay, there is a definitely a health and complete transformation video of my coming. Okay, that will definitely boost a lot of people's mindset as well. Okay, you will love that. I'm aiming for 100 likes for this video. ठीक है, 100 likes, 100 likes for this video. Everyone who's watching this video, like it right now. 100 likes. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Good videos are coming. Swing trading video is coming, and a very beautiful video on health transformation, and that is very important video to watch. Thanks a lot. See you all, and good day.